Hey everyone, welcome back to Coding WizCat. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up Visual Studio Code, your go-to tool for coding magic. First things first, head over to code.visuals2dio.com to download Visual Studio Code for your operating system. Once downloaded, follow the installation prompts to get Visual Studio Code up and running on your machine. It's super easy and quick. Now that you've got Visual Studio Code installed, let's take a quick tour of the interface. You'll notice the sidebar on the left, where you can access files, search, and manage extensions. The editor in the middle is where all the coding magic happens. You can customize Visual Studio Code to suit your preferences by installing themes and extensions. Let me show you how. And there you have it. With Visual Studio Code set up and customized, you're ready to dive into coding adventures. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more coding tips and tutorials. Happy coding!